major indicator of healthy skin is a natural glow. But factors like stressful lifestyles, hectic work schedules, inadequate sleep, lack of nutritional diet, pollution, harmful sun rays, excessive smoking, and drinking alcohol can make your skin dull and dry. All of these are part and parcel of your life, and you cannot run away from them. However, you can surely prevent them. While you cannot hold on to your age, you can surely slow down the loss of glow and radiance from your skin. This is where homemade beauty recipes and simple preventive tips come in handy, as they are a natural and much simpler alternative to cosmetic products. Here are 10 amazing home remedies for glowing skin. 1. Stay hydrated. You've heard it a million times, but we would like to repeat the importance of drinking water. Water forms the crux of your skin's natural barrier. When there is water loss from the skin barrier, your skin is prone to damage. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day and see what wonders it can do to your skin. Your skin not only glows but is also soft and supple as it is hydrated. 2. Coconut oil. We love coconut oil for so many reasons, one of which is that it makes us feel like we're lathered in a piña colada. But this wonderfully natural ingredient has some serious benefits for the skin. Coconut oil can help repair the skin's outer barrier, provide antibacterial protection, reduce inflammation, provide antioxidants, promote healing, and slow skin aging. Coconut oil is best for normal to dry skin because it locks in moisture, replenishing skin hydration. Application. You can use coconut oil on its own or add sugar, salt, or baking soda to make a scrub. If you're using coconut oil alone, you can leave it on overnight or wash it off before bed. Scrubs can be rinsed off after 15 minutes or so. If you opt for a scrub, you only need to exfoliate 2 or 3 times a week unless you have oily skin. 3. Honey. Honey isn't just for the bees or your cornbread. It protects and nourishes your skin, acting as a moisturizer and acne treatment. The key is to use raw, unpasteurized honey that still contains healthy bacteria. The bacteria works with your natural immune system to reduce inflammation and irritation, as well as put a smackdown on the bacteria that cause acne. It can even help heal and lighten acne scars. Honey's benefits don't stop there. It naturally exfoliates your skin, removing the dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. A word of caution: if you are allergic to pollen, celery, or bee venom, test the honey on a small area of your skin first. You don't want to have an allergic reaction once the honey's covering your face. Application. You can smooth honey right on your face or mix it with other ingredients to multiply the benefits. Try mixing 3 parts honey to 1 part cinnamon as an acne treatment. Leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off. Another option is to mix 1/2 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and olive oil. The baking soda adds extra exfoliating power, while the olive oil brings extra moisture to the skin. Apply to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. 4. Turmeric. This brightly colored spice contains curcumin, which has natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, it can treat acne, heal injuries, including sun damage, and bring out your skin's natural glow. On the grosser but still helpful side of things, it can also be used to treat scabies, which are nasty microscopic mites that cause an uncomfortable rash. Before rubbing turmeric on your face, a few things to think about. First, it can temporarily stain your skin a yellow-orangish color. Second, some people are allergic to turmeric. Test it on a small area of skin before applying it to sensitive facial skin. Application. Keep it simple and mix up a paste that's 1 part turmeric to 2 parts water. Simmer until it thickens, cool, and apply to skin. Or mix turmeric with other natural ingredients like honey. Try mixing 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse and pat dry. 5. Baking soda scrubs. Baking soda soaks up odors, makes yummy baked treats, and is also a natural exfoliant that can give your skin a glowy boost when used appropriately. You shed skin cells every day, but they won't be able to linger with a consistent exfoliating routine. Application. Mix baking soda with just enough water to create a paste and gently rub it onto your skin. You can also add baking soda to honey or olive oil for a moisturizing scrub. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil comes with the natural benefits of vitamins A, D, E, and K most of the time. When talking about skin benefits, we jump to vitamin E. That's because it's an antioxidant that protects the skin from the damage of free radicals. Not to dive into too much chemistry, but free radicals have an unpaired electron that needs another electron to create balance. The free radicals try to get that electron from cells, killing them in the process. As you can imagine, death by free radical isn't a good thing for your skin's health. In addition, researchers in a 2014 study found that eating vitamins E and K together helped clear acne. While using them on your skin isn't quite the same, it's hard to ignore the pros of letting your skin soak in extra vitamins. Application. You can apply olive oil directly to your skin. However, this is important, you'll want to skip cheap olive oils, opting for natural or organic extra virgin olive oil. It's purer and safer for your skin. You can also buy olive oil blends with lavender, almond, or grapeseed oils that are specifically designed as a skin treatment. It doesn't take much. A few drops will probably be enough to cover your face. You can also mix olive oil with other skin-healthy ingredients like honey or yogurt. However, if you're prone to acne, skip olive oil as it can clog pores in some skin types. 7. Tea bags for under-eye skin. Most of the tea's benefits come from drinking it, not putting it on your skin. However, tea bags are the perfect size for a cold or warm compress to reduce swelling or soothe the skin around the eyes. Application. Soak 2 tea bags in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, remove, and squeeze out the water. For a cold compress, put them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, lay back, relax, and put the tea bags on your eyes for a soothing compress. Tea bags can be used as a warm compress to relieve the symptoms of eye infections and other irritations. We're talking warm compress, not hot, so be sure to check the tea bag's temperature before applying it to your sensitive eye skin. 8. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera's medicinal properties have been used for centuries, and chances are you've used aloe vera gel to soothe a sunburn a time or two. But is it worth adding aloe vera to your regular skincare routine, or should you just keep it on hand to calm an angry burn? Aloe vera's moisturizing ability can be used in place of face lotion. It's packed with vitamins A and E, antioxidants, and healthy enzymes. Aloe vera quickly absorbs into the skin, so even those with oily skin can use it without getting breakouts. This cool gel can also be used to treat sunburn, frostbite, cuts, and cold sores, so it's definitely worth storing in your medicine cabinet. Application. If you own an aloe vera plant, you can cut open one of the leaves, squeeze out the fluids, and apply them directly to the skin. Aloe vera is often mixed with other ingredients like calendula or echinacea for an added health boost. But make sure you get one that lists only pure and natural ingredients. Some bottles are loaded with fillers including parabens. If you're searching for pure aloe, the ingredient list should list just that and only that. 9. Yogurt face mask. Yogurt's silky smooth texture just screams, "Put me on your face." If your yogurt hasn't screamed at you lately, it's time to rethink how you use this delicious snack. It acts as a natural moisturizer, and it's easy to add other skin-healthy ingredients like honey, aloe vera, or turmeric. You can try different yogurts until you find one you like. For example, Greek yogurt's extra creamy texture is often easier to apply, especially if you're adding extra ingredients. However, you should probably stick to plain, unflavored yogurt no matter the brand and type you choose. Application. Use only as much yogurt as you need to cover your face, somewhere between 1/3 and 1/2 cup. You can apply it directly to your face or add a teaspoon or 2 of honey, olive oil, or turmeric for an added skin boost. 10. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep assists in cell turnover and exfoliation. Remember to get 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep for glowing skin. Lack of sleep can result in puffy eyes and dark circles. Collagen is a skin protein that gives skin its strength. When you get enough sleep, collagen production is stimulated. This makes your skin look younger and plump. Now you know that you don't have to be born with glowing skin. All the above steps when followed regularly can get you closer to your dream of glowing skin. Have you got more to add? Feel free to put them in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.